This entire section here will be the main pitch and the western stands. We need to finalize the leveling points by tomorrow. Understood. We'll deploy the second team to the north zone. Okay, move the prism to grid reference C-4.
Got it. Setting the pole now.
Looks stable, locking the measurement.
We need to adjust the flight path slightly to cover that ridge.
Acknowledged. Adjusting the coordinates now.
We're showing increased resistance at 12 meters. Check the torque. Confirmed. The N value is spiking. We should extract the core now for analysis.
Let's core this section here, bag and label it BH-3.
15 meters. Logging the coordinates now.
The bearing capacity on Sector 4 is lower than projected.
We'll need to adjust the foundation requirements accordingly.
Okay, measure 50 meters exactly from that point. Got it, lining up the tape now. Stake is in. Ensure the alignment is precise right there. Yes, that's correct. Lock it down. Push that pile to the left. Watch the grade right there.
We need to clear that section before the next pour. Move the excavator slightly to the left.
Bring the next truck in now, over. Roger that, approaching the site. The grade is inconsistent at marker 12.
Confirmed. We need another sweep over there before excavation.
According to the tablet, we're right on the baseline.
Double check the alignment before we finalize this section.
The column grid aligns perfectly right here. Yep.
And the main service tunnel run 50 meters south.
Noted the adjustment for the seating foundations. Okay, back out, easy now, you're hitting the chalk line. Copy that, supervisor. Bringing her back slowly. All right, swing that load around to the west pile. We need to clear this section by noon. See how the point cloud aligns with the schematic? The depth is spot on. Perfect, this section is cleared for the next phase.
This section is clear for the reinforcement cages. All right, let's move the crew to the east side and begin lowering the first set.
Ensure the base surface is completely clear before placement.
We're almost there. Bring it down another meter.
A little to the left, careful.
The laser shows we are within tolerance at this depth.
We need to ensure the green conduits are below the water lines here. Yes, the specifications are clear. Make sure the team secures them properly.
The density readings look good here, but let's check the far corner again. All right, I'll radio the team.
We need 80 kilopascals on this section.
Reading steady at 82, looks good for the next layer. Lower the load, keep it steady. We're clear on this side, set it down. The alignment here is slightly off.
We need to adjust Sector 4.
Shifting the grid now. The spacing here is inconsistent with the schematic. See this measurement?
Yes, the laser scan confirms the variance, but it's within the acceptable tolerance for this section.
All right, section 4 is clear. Commence the pour. The consistency looks good here. Keep the flow steady. All right, moving to the next section now. Keep that screed moving. We need to hit the line. Almost there. Watch the edge.
The core sample passed the compression test. We're well above the minimum requirement.
Excellent. Let's log the data and move to the next section.
Maintaining the correct moisture levels is crucial for the structural integrity of the foundation. Ensure the structural integrity aligns with the seismic requirements.
Confirmed, we are proceeding with the next phase of the pour. Make sure the alignment is straight on that seam.
Rolling it now. The heat gun sealed the edge perfectly.
Good, let's keep moving down the wall.
Lower it 5 centimeters to the left. All right, holding steady now. Looks good, lock it in. This section here seems slightly off the baseline.
The scan confirms a 2-degree variance on the y-axis.
We need to rescan this footing immediately.
Bring it down slow. Watch the alignment on column 4. Easy, easy. We're clear. Bring it down slowly. Easy now.
Clear on the east side, hold it there. Alignment confirmed, lock it down.
Keep it coming down just a little to the left. Holding steady, we are almost clear. The laser read 4.2 meters here. Does that match the schematic?
Yes, that aligns with section B.
Make sure the vibrator goes all the way down to avoid honeycombing. Levels are stable. We have good consistency on this pour.
The laser shows a deviation of only 2 millimeters on this column.
That matches the tolerance exactly. We are aligned.
All right, slowly lower the beam. Copy that, lowering slowly. Watch the connection plate on this end. Check the spacing on section 4B. Looks good, tie it off. We need more supports over here. Check this connection point here. It looks slightly off the schematic.
Let me log that. The torque seems adequate, but we should flag the alignment.
Easy, easy now. Bring it down another foot. Watch the alignment on this side. Clear back here, boss.
The alignment on section 4 needs adjustment. We're showing a deviation of 10 millimeters.
Noted. I'll radio the crane operator immediately.
Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment on the right.
Okay.
Okay, clear. Set it down.
According to the tablet, this weld needs reinspection.
I agree. Let's tag it and move to the next section.
We have to maintain the structural integrity here. Double-check the laser alignment against the blueprints before the next drilling sequence.
Make sure the elevation matches the blueprint exactly before we finalize the pour.
Confirmed. We are maintaining the tolerance level required for the pitch connection.
The deflection is minimal here. The scan confirms structural integrity.
Check the tension reading on that far support beam. We need to verify the alignment.
Okay, lower the beam to section 4. Copy that, watching the alignment now. Looks good from here.
Alignment looks good on the south side. Run the torque sequence.
Confirmed. Let's prep the next column. Ensure the alignment is perfect on this section.
Looks good. All clear up top.
The revised schematics show a change in the load-bearing wall.
Yes, we have to adjust the rebar spacing immediately. The wiring schematics show this connection point right above the technical space. Agreed. Let's route it through the reinforced section as planned.
Bring it down slowly, watch the clearance. Copy that, easy now. See how the stress load is distributed across this joint. The advanced modeling predicted this variance.
Yes, but the deflection here is unexpected.
As the cranes lift the final support beams, the vision of the World Cup Stadium begins to take shape.
The stress points here look good.
Yeah?
Confirmed on the digital model.
All right, let's signal the crane team to begin the lift sequence on section C.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment there. Easy, easy. That's good. Hold it right there. We got it secured. Check the torque on those bolts again. Make sure it's fully seated. Thumbs up, Foreman. It's ready. Roger that. We are good to hoist.
Hold at altitude. We need 3 more degrees counterclockwise. Preparing for final alignment check. Stand by.
Connecting the massive steel trusses is a delicate dance of precision engineering.
as the stadium takes shape. Stress test results coming through now. Connection point 76 is fully stable. Proceed with the next section.
Check this connection point. The scan is showing some deviation here. Yeah?
I'm cross-referencing the load calculations now. It's within tolerance. Is this panel aligned?
Almost. Push it slightly to the left. Okay, easy now. Bring it left, left. Hold it right there. We got it. Hold it steady.
We must follow the manufacturer's specs exactly for the weather seal.
Use the hammer drill on those last bolts.
Done. They're secure.
Good. Let's move to the next section. All right, bring it up slow. Easy now. Watch the alignment on your side. Looks good. Lock it in. Lower it 10 centimeters. Slow, slow.
Roger, coming down slowly.
Watch the clearance on the beam.
Okay, move that pile to the east side. We need this section clear for the grader by noon. Roger that. Moving it now.
Check the alignment on the tablet. It has to match the design specs exactly.
Confirmed. The slope is perfect.
The drainage gradient looks good on the monitor. No obstructions. Confirmed. The GPS coordinates match the design specs. We can move to the next sector. All right, let's pack up the total station.
The flow rate looks consistent across all channels. Pressure test results are stable. We are good for the next phase.
Bring the screed up another 2 centimeters on the left. Okay, I see the laser now. The compaction is still reading low on sector 4. We're on it, running the roller over it again now.
We're showing green on the mainline connection. Over.
Roger that. Initiating automated sequence test now.
The sensors are reading consistent moisture levels. Pressure seems optimal.
Agreed. The system is fully operational.
Bring that edge over here. We need more slack on this side. All right, push it forward slowly.
Check the laser alignment on sector 4. Looks good, we're within the millimeter tolerance.
The moisture levels here are still reading low.
Okay, let's increase the cycle duration by 10% on sector 4.
Activating the sequence now.
Moisture levels look consistent across the penalty area.
Good. Let's check the center before we finalize the report. Make sure the tension is even on those top bolts. The reading here is still fluctuating.
Copy that. Retorquing the northwest fitting now.
See the spill on the far left? We need to tighten the beam angle there.
Adjusting the west bank now. Looks like we have full coverage at 80 lux. Make sure the torque is set correctly on those connections. We need to stay on schedule. Reroute the audio matrix through the auxiliary rack. Prioritize the camera feeds. Roger that. Routing now. Are the patch panel connections live yet, or should I wait?
Bring it up another 2 meters, slow and steady. We are almost there.
Alignment confirmed on the south end. Proceed with securing the structure.
Okay, lift it slowly on your side. Copy that. Watching the clearance now.
RGB cycles are clean.
Confirmed. Switching to the FIFA graphic now. Looks sharp.
And the countdown overlay. Perfect synchronization.
All right, secure that beam. Running the audio sweep now. Looks good from here.
RTA looks good across the lower bowl. Phase alignment is solid. We are calibrated.
Check the latency on the main feed from camera 3. Stable at 40 milliseconds. Zoom adjusted. Run the diagnostic sequence on the replay system now.
Check the alignment on sector 42.
Looks good from here. I'm securing the dome camera now.
All right, let's power it up and test the feed.
Check the alignment on section 3. It has to be flush with the ventilation shaft.
Got it. I'll use the laser level. This panel is tight now. How is the floor looking? Just finished the last section. It is spotless.
Clear the path for the crash cart, moving it into Zone 3 now.
Everything looks secure here. Good work.
Signal looks good on the PTZ cam. Confirmed. Let's move to the main access gate next. Ensure all cable trays are secured before the final plasterboard goes up.
Confirmed.
We are showing full illumination on the east bank.
Copy that. Starting sound calibration now.
Check the spacing on row 42, just to be sure. Confirmed, it matches the blueprint exactly. Everything is aligned.
Check the alignment on this row. It looks slightly off. Ensure it meets the safety requirements.
This fixture here, the alignment seems slightly off from the rendering.
Let me check the levels again. It should be exact. Make sure the interface is fully calibrated before the team arrives. It's almost done. Just running the final diagnostics now.
How are the readings looking?
Green across the board. Powering up now. Move the pipe to the north side. Watch the grade over there. Bring the machine closer.
Keep the crane steady, we need that centered.
Forewoman, this section is complete. It looks amazing.
A little higher on the left, hold it there. Okay, locking it in now. Make sure that bolt is tight, Chen. It's secure, boss. We are good to go.
Initiate the lighting sequence now. Main contactors engaged. Power stabilizing. Confirmed. We have full illumination. Move to backup systems. Check the lux reading on Sector 4.
Holding steady at 3500, well within FIFA requirements.
Run the uniformity test again on Quadrant 3.
Looks good from here. Calibration is holding steady across the board. Initiating calibration sweep. How are the levels in Zone 3?
Receiving strong signal. The echo effect is prominent, but within tolerance.
Structural integrity on the seating seems sound.
And the exit lighting circuits are fully operational.
The subsurface drainage is perfect.
And the irrigation coverage is exactly where it needs to be. We are good to sign off.
The tensioning on the roof structure looks precise. Agreed. And the sight lines from here are perfect. We are good to go.
The Al Rayyan Stadium stands complete, a triumph of modern engineering and design, ready to host the world. The pitch management system is showing optimal levels.
It looks like we are ready for the opening. Everything is green.